Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I just wanted to show you what I was doing with my jeans. I got these from H&M. They were $24.99, steal. They're actually cropped, but because I'm so short, it fits like regular jeans kind of. I'm gonna make the front higher, like that new trend. I don't even know what it's called, but basically just cut out the front. You're just gonna need a pair of scissors. You can use like a regular pair, but these ones I feel like work really well. I'll show you how I'm gonna do it. All right, so you're gonna lay your jeans down. First thing you have to do is cut off the seam. And now you're just gonna basically cut off a little square. You should probably do it from the seam here to the seam here, but not past that, like right here. And that's basically it, and then you just do it to the other side, and then I'll show you what's next. So I would suggest throwing your jeans in the wash after you do this, because then there's a nicer fringe that forms every time you wash your jeans, if you've ever noticed that when they're cut. Okay. But if you just want to wear them the same day like I'm gonna do, you can still make them fringe, but every time you wash them, you'll have it'll be better and better every time. So just take something sharp like this, or you can get a tweezer and kind of just fringe them out as much as you'd like. And like I said, over time, it'll get nicer and nicer and more like, I don't want to say natural, I guess more, you'll get a more, I guess, organic fringe over time. And that's really it, guys. It was super easy. So hopefully this was helpful, or just like made you want to do something new to your jeans or your denim. So. All right, subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you in the next video, guys.